ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि दोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तम्। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। Arjuna had asked question to Bhagwan, who is Sthita Prajna, whose intelligence is set, or whose who is abided in wisdom. That was Arjuna's question. And in the answer, Bhagwan told the one who has given all the desires from his mind once and for all, is Sthita Prajna. One who is happy in all the situations is Sthita Prajna. One who controls sense organs like tortoise or turtle, he is Sthita Prajna. And Bhagwan said, though you may be intelligent, though you may be very great person, but this sense organ, they will captivate your mind, and mind won't have any choice. Mind will go after all the sense organs. So you may be great, but the sense organ you don't trust, they will deceive your mind. And now Bhagwan says you have to control all the sense organs, and the one who has all the sense organ under control, his intelligence is set. तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य युक्त आसीत मत्परः वशे हि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य युक्त आसीत मत्परः वशे हि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। विग्रह तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य युक्तः आसीत मत्परः वशे हि यस्य इंद्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। वेरी सिंपल। तानि सर्वाणि इंद्रियाणि, तानि सर्वाणि इंद्रियाणि संयम्य means you have to control all the sense organs, and yukta mat parah asit, mat bhagvat parah, yuktah, one whose mind is completely fixed in Bhagwan. Mat parah, whose mind is in me. So sense organs are controlled and mind is in Paramatma. He indeed, yasya vashe indriyani, in whose control all the sense organs are, tasya prajna pratisthita. His intelligence, his wisdom is stable, established. He is abided in that wisdom. Now let us see what Naneshwar Maharaj says. Manoni aike partha याते निर्दणी जो सर्वथा सर्व विषयी आस्था सांडोनिया। मनोनी ऐके पार्था याते निर्दणी जो सर्वथा सर्व विषयी आस्था सांडोनिया म्हणोनी. Therefore means all the sense organs, they will deceive intelligent person. They will drag attention of your mind. They will confuse mind. All sense organs, they will perturb mind. So, Manoni, I listen, keep this in mind, O Partha, O Arjuna. So, one who yate to all the sense organ, jo one who yante to all the sense organ, nirdari, one who controls. Sarvatha, once and for all. One who controls sense organ always. And how? Sarva Vishayi Astha Sandoniya. And there is no Sarva Vishayi in all sense objects. Astha, desire, Sandoniya. The one who controls all the sense organs. How? By giving up desire for all the sense organs. By giving up the idea of having happiness in all sense organs. If someone is there, Tochi tu dana yoga nishtesi karana. Tochi, the one who has controlled sense organ, and one who has uh, given up desires towards all the sense objects, Tochi, that person alone. Tochi tu dana yoga nishtesi karana. दयाचे विषय सुखे अंतःकरण जकवेना तोचितु जाण योग निष्ठेसी कारण दयाचे विषय सुखे अंतःकरण जकवेना तोची. That person alone who has controlled sense organ and one who has given up all the objects from his heart. Tochi tu zana, you must know. Tochi, tu zana, you must know. Tochi, that person. Yoga nisthesi karana, that person is fit for this karma yoga. That person is fit for this knowledge. He should go for knowledge. That person can do karma yoga very nice. Who Dayache Vishaya Sukhe Antakaran Gatavena, whose mind is not deluded by the sense objects or Vishaya Sukha objects of pleasures of senses, it is called. Dayache Antakaran, whose mind Vishaya Sukhe by sense pleasure Zakavena is not deluded. That person is fit for this karma yoga. That person will eventually fit for jnana yoga. Now Yaneshwar Maharaj says beautiful words. He says, those people who are jnani, they will never ever forget me from their hearts. Jnani will never forget the presence of Paramatma or him being Paramatma from his mind. जो आत्मबोध युक्तु होनी असे सततु दयाते हृदया आतु विसंबेना. जो आत्मबोध युक्तु होनी असे सततु दयाते हृदया आतु विसंबेना. जो आत्मबोध युक्तु और युक्त, okay. The one Atmabodha Yukta, Atmabodha self-realization or knowledge of self. Yukta, one who is endowed with self-knowledge. And what time? Honyase satatu. Satatu, always one who is dwelling in that thought that I am Brahman, I am infinite. Such person. Dayate hridaya atu visambena. जयाते हृदया आतु विसंबेना. Me, hृदया आतु, from his heart or in his heart, visambena, never ever forget. So you see, Bhagwan gives a little bit more clarification. One who is self-realized. So self-realized can be many people, but Satatu, one who is always abiding in that Brahman, that self, that knowledge is always available to him whenever he transacts, whenever he live in this world. That person will never ever forget Paramatma. Never ever forget Paramatma means he will never have the other thought that I am not Brahman. This thought he will not. Here we now Narendra Maharaj gives another scenario. If you give up all the sense objects externally and internally you are thinking about it, then you are still in this samsara only. You are not out of this samsara. एरवी बाह्य विषय तरी नाही परी मानस होईल जरी काही तरी साध्यंतोचे हा पाही संसारू असे एरवी बाह्य विषय तरी नाही परी मानस होईल जरी काही तरी साध्यंतुचे हा पाही संसारू असे एरवी on the other hand बाह्य विषय तरी नाही no बाह्य विषय external objects नाही no external objects around you परी but मानस होईल जरी काही but there is thinking about objects in your mind मानस mind तरी साध्यंतुचे हा पाही संसारू असे then understand samsaru ase samsara is there for you sorrow is there for you joy and happiness is there for you bliss is not for you why manas jari kahi hoil if there is something in your heart about sense objects sadhyantuchi pahi definitely there will be samsara in your how now Bhagavan says beautiful जैसा का विषाचा लेशु घेतलिया होय बहुवसु मग निभ्रांत करी नाशू जीवितासी जैसा का विषाचा लेशु घेतलिया होय बहुवसु मग निभ्रांत करी नाशू जीवितासी जैसा now he gives example जैसा का विषाचा लेशु a drop of poison घेतलिया once you take it by mistake घेत होय बहुवसु the effect of that little bit drop of poison will increase very fast मग निभ्रांत करी नाशू then then once you drink the poison निभ्रांत inevitably definitely नाशू करी जीवितासी that small drop of water is going to destroy your life जीवितासी नाशू करी destroy your life little bit like that if little bit thinking about objects are there in our mind, definitely they are going to destroy us. This is the introduction to next verse Gnaneshwar Maharaj is giving. तैसी या विषयाची शंका मनी वसती देखा धातू करे अशेखा विवेक जाता तैसी या विषयांची शंका मनी वसती देखा घातु करी अशेखा विवेक जाता अशेख जाता विवेका घातु करी अशेखा means entire knowledge wisdom what you have घातु करी it is going to wipe out that all wisdom whatever you have when vishayanchi shanka if there is thinking about the objects Money, vasati, dekha in your mind. If there is little bit thinking about the objects, then vivek zata ashekha ghatu kari, then it is going to destroy entire wisdom what you will not think. You will just run after the object. Now the beautiful part of this Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, ladder of fall. Very, very important. So Bhagavan is going to explain, if you think about objects, what will happen? Then what will happen? Then what will happen? Then finally, what will happen? ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषुपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषुपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. So Bhagavan says, we'll see the vigraha. ध्यायतः विषयान् पुंसः संगः तेषु उपजायते संगात् संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते. विग्रह अन्वय is विषयान् ध्यायतः पुंसः तेषु संगः उपजायते. पुंसः person, Vishayan, sense objects, dhyayatah, by dwelling on the sense objects, teshu, in all sense objects, sangaha jayate, attachment. For example, you are thinking about a car, just you are thinking. Then, after a few days, you feel, I should have that car. So, thinking will lead to the attachment, I should. Then, sangat kamaha Sangat kamah sanjayate. And once there is desire, the thought, I should attachment is there, I should have this, there will be joy in that car. Then sangat kamah jayate, then it comes desire. So first dwelling on two objects, then comes attachment. Once attachment is there, there springs desire. Kamat krodho bhijayate. And from desire, if that desire is fulfilled, you want it more and more. Once desire is not fulfilled, you want, there comes anger. If you want car, desire is there. If you get car, what you will feel? Oh, this car is nice, so nice. What is next? Another car. So calm, if the desire is fulfilled, more desire comes. If desire is not fulfilled, anger. Oh, I didn't get the car, then anger. Then what happens? Krodhat bhavati sammoha. Krodhat bhavati sammoha. Sammoha smriti vibramah. Same only. Krodhat sammoha bhavati. Once anger is there, then sammoha, wrong thinking. Once wrong thinking is there, sammoha smriti vibramah. Wisdom goes. Sammoha smriti vibramah. Knowledge goes away. Smriti bhramshat buddhi nasha. Once knowledge goes away, buddhi nasha, decision making power is not there. Once decision making power goes away, buddhi nashat pranashyati. Person demise. Person demise. जरी हृदय विषय स्मरती तरी निसंगा ही आपजे संगती संगी प्रगटे मूर्ती अभिलाषाची जरी हृदयी विषय स्मरती तरी निसंगा ही आपजे संगती संगी प्रगटे मूर्ती अभिलाषाची. Same thing explained very beautifully here. Jari, if Hrudayi in your heart, Vishaya, objects. Smarati, if you remember, if you dwell upon them, if you think about objects. Tari, then. Nisanga, he one who is detached. Apaje, Sangati, he will also be attached to someone. And Sangi, Pragati, Murti, Abhilashachi. Once there is attachment, Sangi in attachment, Abhilashachi Murti Pragati, then desire comes. The embodiment of desire, image of desire comes. जेथ कामो उपजला तेथ क्रोधो आधीची आला क्रोधी असे ठेविला संमोह जाणे जेथ कामो उपजला तेथ क्रोधो आधीची आला क्रोधी असे ठेविला संमोह जाणे जेथ वेर कामो उपजला desire arises तेथ क्रोधो आधीची आला क्रोध comes there before only means as soon as desire starts क्रोध is standing beside it जेथ कामो उपजला क्रोधो आधीची आला क्रोधो असे ठेवला संभोग जाणे in that anger already the sammoha is wrong thinking is kept. So when you are angry that time you don't think properly. This is what it is said. So Krodha, Kama is there, Krodha is standing beside. Then in that Krodha, already there is Sammoha, delusion or wrong thing. Sammoha Dhaliya Vyakti Tari Nashu Pave Smrti Chandavate Jyoti Ahat Jaisi. Sammoha Dhaliya Vyakti Tari Nashu Pave Smrti Chandavate Jyoti Ahat Jaisi. Example is given. There is a flame. There is a lamp. Okay. And the big wind comes very forcefully. What happens? That flame, that light will be put off. Or that lamp will fly along with that air. Like that, once wrong thinking is there, then wisdom goes up. Sammoha, wrong thinking. Jhaliya, Vyakti, if person is smitten by wrong thinking. Tari Nashupave Smriti. Tari. Then Smriti Nashupave. Wisdom goes away. How? Chandavate Jyoti Ahat Jaisi. Just like wind, gust of wind extinguished the flame. Extinguished the flame. Another example is given ka astamani nishi jaisi surya teja te grasi तैसी दशा स्मृति भ्रमशी प्राणियांसी का अस्तमानी निशि जैसी सूर्य तेजा ते ग्रासी तैसी दशा स्मृति भ्रमशी प्राणियांसी और का मीन्स और example is given astamani nishi when the sun uh, rises the sun sets that time nishi the night surya teja te grasi this is just the example given so darkness it eats up the brightness of sun astamani at the time of sunset nishi night surya teja te grasi the dark the brightness of sun is engulfed or eaten by night. Example is why they are giving example. Smriti will go away if there is wrong thinking. Wisdom will go away if wrong thinking is there. Just like the night eats up the light of sun. तैसी दशा स्मृती भ्रंशी प्राणियांसी. तैसी दशा स्मृती भ्रंशी. That plight, that horrible plight of people will be there if there is loss of wisdom. Smriti Bhramshi, loss of wisdom. Then what happens? मग अज्ञानांध केवळ. Once darkness is there, then what happens? You see, beautiful example. मग अज्ञानांध केवळ तेने आपलं विजय सकळ. तेथ बुद्धी होय व्याकुळ हृदया माझी. तेथ मग अज्ञानांध केवळ तेने आपलं विजय हो आपलं विजय सकळ. तेथ बुद्धी होय व्याकुळ हृदया माझी. मग अज्ञानांध केवळ. आफ्टर दॅट अज्ञानांध केवळ. Then once the darkness eats up the brightness of sun, then what will happen? Everywhere Ajnananda, everywhere there will be darkness. Darkness means ignorance. Ignorance means no knowledge. Tene आपलं विजय सकळ. Ignorance will be uh, pervading everyone. When the darkness, yeah, blinded through ignorance, everything is lost. आपलं विजय सकळ. So तेथ बुद्धी होय व्याकुळ हृदयामागे. Then the intellect is perturbed in your heart. Hridayamaj means within the decision making power will go away. Why? Because wisdom has lost. Teta buddhi hoya vyakula. There, your decision making power, vyakula, will be draining off. Hridayamaji inside. Then, what will happen? Another example is given. जैसे जात्यंधा पळणी पावे मग ते काकुळती सैरात व्हावे. तैसे बुद्धीस होती भवे धनुर्धरा. जैसे जात्यंधा पळणी पावे मग ते काकुळती सैरात धावे. तैसे बुद्धीस होती भवे धनुर्धरा. जैसे example given. So now there is night, darkness everywhere, and in that people are running here, there, and there is one born blind person. Already darkness. People are also running here, there. In the midst of that, he is also running. What will happen? Everything will go. He will destroy himself. Like that, if wisdom has gone, decision-making power has gone, what will happen? Everything will go away. जैसे जात्यंता पळणी पावे मग ते काकुळती सैरा धावे. Blind person, काकुळती will with piteous mind here and there he runs. तैसे बुद्धि सहोवे होती भवे धनुधरा. Like that, the intelligent or decision making power that also runs here and there. Away in this samsara, this the intelligence or yes, decision making power that also runs with the service. Because you will be bewildered. Dhanurdhara, O wielder of bow, you will be bewildered once there is no decision making power. ऐसा स्मृती भ्रमशु घडे मग सर्वथा बुद्धी अवघडे. तेथ समूळ हे उपडे ज्ञान जात. ऐसा स्मृती भ्रमशु घडे मग सर्वथा बुद्धी अवघडे. तेथ समूळ हे उपडे ज्ञान जात. Once ऐसा स्मृती भ्रमशु घडे. Once the wisdom has gone, मग सर्वथा बुद्धी अवघडे. Then intelligence ऐसा प्रतिभ्रमशु घडे. Once the Intelligence goes away. ऐसा स्मृतिभ्रंशु घडे. Once wisdom goes away, सर्वथा बुद्धि अवघडे. Then intellect is अवघडे. Intellect is not able to give proper verdict to mind. Intellect is not capable to choose right path. तेत समूळ हे उपडे ज्ञानजात. तेत in the mind. ज्ञानजात समूळ उपडे. ज्ञानजात, whatever knowledge, information, wisdom we have, समूळ उपडे, from the roots it gets uprooted. Very difficult condition. तेत समूळ हे उपडे ज्ञान. Example is given. चैतन्याच्या भ्रमशी शरीरादशा जैसी तैसी पुरुषा बुद्धिनाशी होय देखे. चैतन्याच्या भ्रमशी शरीरादशा जैसी तैसी पुरुषा बुद्धिनाशी होय देखे. चैतन्याच्या भ्रमशी. Once the जीव chaitanya leaves this body, then what happens to this body? This body becomes a dust. This body becomes conscious, less than. Sharira dasha jaisi. Like that means if the life from this body goes away, nothing remains. This body is useless. Like that, once the right decision making power goes away, then this person is also useless. तैसी पुरुषा बुद्धिनाशी होय देखे. तैसी पुरुषा बुद्धिनाशी होय देखे. Like that, person's flight, once the right decision making power goes away. So, as for it is yes. मनोनी ऐके पार्था. मनोनी ऐके अर्जुना जैसा विस्फुल्लिंग लागे इंधना. मग तो प्रौढ झालिया त्रिभुवना पुरुषके. मनोनी ऐके अर्जुना जैसा विस्फुल्लिंग लागे इंधना. मग तो प्रौढ झालिया त्रिभुवना पुरुषके. मनोनी ऐके. Oh Arjuna, therefore listen. Why listen? Because it starts it starts from thinking, ends in destruction of a person. Therefore you listen. मनोनी ऐके. जैसा विस्फुलिंग लागे इंधना. जैसा as spark, विस्फुलिंग spark, लागे इंधना, catches fuel. Just a spark of a fire catches fuel. मग तो प्रौढ झालिया त्रिभुवना पुरुषके. And once the little bit spark of fire comes in contact with fuel, then it becomes very furious. It bursts into flames, and once the fire grows, then even the entire universe can be burst in that fire, can be burnt in that fire. So you see, that is a little bit spark, but the spark has potential to burn the entire universe. Like that, let one thought about the sense object, but it has power to burn our life, to ruin our entire life. Therefore, तैसे विषयांचे ध्यान जरी विपाये वाहे मन. तरी ये सने हे पतन विवसित पावे. तैसे विषयांचे ध्यान जरी विपाये वाहे मन. तरी ये सने हे पतन विवसित पावे. तैसे, like that, विषयांचे ध्यान, thinking about sense objects, जरी, even though, vipaye, by mistake, vahe man, mind thinks about by mistake also about objects. Tari, then, येसने हे पतन दिवसी तपावे. येसने definitely हे पतन, there will be downfall in his life. Divasi tapave, then he will definitely have downfall in his life. Patana, down. Great loss will be there. Divasi tapave, Divasi, you look, you search, and you fall into it. So therefore, let us not think about object. ते आलिया ओळगा सारंगधर. हे साथे आलिया ओळगा सारंगधर. नाही तरी संसार जाईल रया. नाही तरी संसार जाईल रया. कौनाचे माय बाप कौनाचे गणगोत. कौनाचे माय बाप कौनाचे गणगोत. मृग जळवत जाईल रया. मृग जळवत जाईल रया. कौणाचे माय बाप कौणाचे गणगोत. विषयाचे समसुख बेगडाची बाहुली. विषयाचे समसुख बेगडाची बाहुली. अब्राची सावली जाईल रया. अब्राची सावली जाईल रया. कौणाचे माय बाप कौणाचे गणगोत. कौणाचे माय बाप कौणाचे गणगोत. ज्ञानदेव म्हणे पाहता पाहिले. ज्ञानदेव म्हणे पाहता पाहिले. स्वप्नीचे चेईले जाईल रया. स्वप्नीचे चेईले जाईल रया. कौणाचे माय बाप कौणाचे गणगोत. कौणाचे माय बाप कौणाचे गणगोत. मृग जळवत जाईल रया. मृग जळावत जाईल रया. कौणाचे माय बाप कौणाचे गणगोत. कौणाचे माय बाप कौणाचे गणगोत. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरदान कृष्ण श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. पंढरी ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु योग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति.